Pretty good. Here we go. If everybody gives me 1 second, let me put out my safety line and we are going to get this damn thing started. Get ready to start. If I could ask everybody just one small favor, please. If I could get you guys to move up to that rope line, right there. Rick the Juggler, and I am very famous. Thank you, all 4 of you. I performed at over 1,000 school auditoriums for the blind. I have it on TV a couple of times. Channels like Fox, shows like Cops. Here we go. Throughout this show, I'm gonna be juggling razor sharp machetes up on top of the 2-foot rollerboard of death. Throughout this show, I'm gonna be juggling razor sharp juggling pins, and I'm gonna set myself on fire. It's a pretty damn good trick, but I can only do it once. Real quick though, the first thing I'm gonna do for y'all so you're comfortable with my juggling skills is I'm gonna get warmed up for my razor sharp knives by juggling like a cat. Before I do it, folks, how many people want to see it? Hold on, leave your hands up. If you don't, I'll point you out and make fun of you. Anna, give me a test roll with the club first. Try to get that club to spin 1 time to my left hand. Very good. Before I do it, does everybody want to see it? What the hell, I'll do it anyway. Let me just say one thing, folks. I saw everybody having fun enjoying the show, so after I do my finale, don't turn your back and walk away from me. That's not right, man. I know I'm not a movie star or anybody famous, but at the end of the show, if everybody comes up with a 10 or a 20, I sure go. Everybody give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much, man. Okay, everybody. Now remember, I am a juggler, not a magician. So if you see a knife flying towards you, that shit is not an illusion. Here we go, guys. It does happen really fast. So after I do it, scream, cheer, go nuts. Let me know you enjoyed the show. On the count of 3, juggle. 1, 2, 3, No, shut up. This is hard. So y'all are standing in a very important room.
All right, so today is our last day in New Orleans. Had a great time. We got here Friday, and today's Monday, so we're here for a couple of days, and we're at the Holiday Inn, Chateau Lamoille, or something like that. It's literally a block or two from Bourbon Street, so we're in the heart of everything. Had a great time. Obviously did the French Quarter, did Frenchman Street, the market, did the streetcar. We went to Tulane, past Tulane, we went past Loyola, and saw the Superdome, and just a lot. Really good trip. We're gonna come back for sure. Maybe even do Mardi Gras. I did Mardi Gras a couple of years ago, around 20 years ago. Had a blast. So that's our trip. See you in the next one.
As we make our final return in the river, we suggest you visit areas on board if not get a chance to do so, such as the